Hello and welcome to the Molmatix. In this video, we will see what is biotechnology. First of all, we will understand the definition of biotechnology. The term biotechnology was used recently in 1917 by a Hungarian engineer Karl Erecki, but the use of processes concerned with biotechnology were in use since ancient times. When we dig deep into history, the Sumerians and Babylonians utilized yeast for the fermentation of beer before 600 BC, and it was the first known application of biotechnology. But biotechnology as a new discipline emerged after the 1970s. The term biotechnology is a fusion of two words, that is bio and technology, where the term bio indicates processes that are carried out by living organisms, and the term technology indicates the methodical use of the living system to produce applied products or goods. Biotechnology can be defined as the process of utilization of standard scientific and engineering principles for the production of desired goods by the use of biological systems or biological reactions.